Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, aqhubekeni noku-unpack la kusenzo me. What people have been asking me, who is Balu? I'm just like, he's sitting there. What was he gonna say? Ufra uBalu, like you've never seen. So advocate Mshololoke guys, he didn't come because she won't be coming in because today her case of that lady who unalived her family resumes today. So you won't see her this week, I think. I listened very carefully last month when they said it's coming back on the 23rd of June. It's a good thing for her ukuthi kuzoyiwa ku-recess vele soon, but so that's ngibike muze sengathi i-recess akayifuni and it's not going to happen this time. I'm just not sure what's going on with him. We will see by the end of the week what happens, but I think Umshololo will actually see after assessment ngokwami. So Dr. Rumi Sibanda ke aqale akhulume state ukuthi a-witness must be treated with courtesy, but when he is lying kwenziwe njani guys ngoba phela that witness was lying. I think you know what happened here with the pettiness that was going on actually in court today. It's the whole thing yokuthi mawumuntu when you can't have your way, you start to go crazy on people so that you feel better. Yabona nje sine senze psychology. I saw it right through him. I was just like, lo yakula phela cela utshela. He's not fine, this guy. I was just like, look, he can't have his way. Ubalo actually uyena umthumile. What make the statement utshele i-defense ukuthi actually sicela bangasijwayeli. I was just like, wow, I'm done. I-reverse nje psychology liyana. He's just playing mind games, that guy. Usibanda and ucabanga ukuthi umnisi cares. Umnisi is like, bro, please stop being emotional. I don't care about you being like a baby. And I even said at some stage, you know what's going on with Sibanda. Usibanda, I don't even think a high school line nababangani. Why emangebonda? Usibanda adla masenje chaka 10 on his own. He never used to speak to anyone. He had no friends. He has no friends actually. Usibanda. Ilabo bantu abanjalo udokotela. This is why he's this person. And the big mhlambi defense is entertainer, and they just didn't entertain him. Umnisi at some stage after Ramusipili, he did stand up and he was like, Bolo, please, he must just leave us alone. And also, ama emotions abegele ozwasho uRamusipili kuthena, he's never seen anything like this since ayefunda eVets ngo1989. Akaze sizayibona into nje. Umuntu onjani lo? And finally uye generalizer what actually guys asingabi kanjalo as counsels amenatheni. Let's not be these people in court. Can we just nje sibe right and all of that sikhulumisane kahle, but this pettiness is so unnecessary leyanto. And okhumula ukuthi ngeke ngasho futhi sino right uphethe last week because he is fairly hired gun at that time. Khona enye ama comment ethe uRatha allegedly njalo uRatha akushongo mina uRatha uBaloyi uGinenda have no integrity, nothing whatsoever. I was just on the floor. I was just like, akushongo mina nami angeni ndawo, but ngizodlulisa kunina guys ngisho ukuthi uthi abana integrity those people akumele ngishilo. So I still saying guys ukuthi hayibo, how petty is Dr. Sibanda? Uthi the defense have their own gadgets, they must use their own things without involving the state. Hayibo guys, just because wabanjwa manipulating evidence, he says he will lend them his cable. Guys, I was just about that one. That was it for me. I was just like, well, why? We have nothing, Tim, as defense. You must borrow us stuff. Like, really, bruh? I was like, he's a baby. He's a child. Dr. Sibanda, guys. He's like a baby. Ooh, shame. In his bag. And there, when you are saying ukuthi ning gabolekile uthole ethu and we're not gonna borrow you anything, ours izinto zethu as NPA, we can't borrow you, we can't even bring you a technician, there's nothing that you must ask from us. I was just like, lo, I shame, I'm done. And then I was like, why are you treating defense like trash? Like why? Like they have nothing. You can't be serious right now. It's your dad. I thought he was joking at first. I'm like, Gobanagu, we trust you on Friday in front of the whole world. Busy, all sorts of things. And then now you must be angry. No. And he's treating defense like Baswele. Those people have everything that they need. It's just those things are not for you. as a court, as a government, taxpayers, imali thina kuthi tax. They must use it. Umnisi must use whatever he wants to use there. Wazomtshela umnisi budi. Njengoba umbona accuse number 1, they are financed by illegal aid. None. In a way. You understand? You are the same person. You are the same people, actually. So why are you trying to differentiate these things? Into one. So there's no need for this. It's really uncalled for. Like, what's beginning? Go on. And the guys, I just felt something else in that court today. I was just like, usatanic court. It's like a norm. The pretense in that court. Oh my word. I'm just like, the egos. I've said it about 2 weeks ago. The egos and the pretense. Pretend like you've never seen in that court. I'm better. I know. Actually, I know more than you. Better than you. I'm doing better. I've been in this game for long. I've been a lawyer. I've been an advocate forever. Again, I saw the thing, he pretends in that court and the egos and flying. I was just like, no, this is crazy, guys. You know, if I see Tandazele, again, need defense, I need Tandazo, Fanas and Tandazo in Bouting. Fancy Babeg Tandazwin. Are you comforting in there? They must do their own demonstrations. What's he? The last one, Usibanda Shilo, was it? Oh, Tanage, Mutalugushi, Umuntu Mayans, and demonstrations and the demonstrations. Guys, who asked you? No rats. I just feel Urata is so childish. Eseti, when Asibanda, here you guys. Ubutini ngomnis. Guys, can you just tell him again? That issue. I was just like, guys, and my thing is that Umnisi did hear that. All of those things that Dr. Sibanda was saying, you know, all those petty things that he was saying there. No, it's the reason they couldn't believe it Friday. They were caught red-handed. They couldn't believe it. They were just, how do we come out of this? How do we come out? And then they were like, so bonus again. What you lost drafting zonke okay, we can be khulumisana ku WhatsApp group yabo ba uthupela futhi kulo WhatsApp group ubaloyi beno Dr. Sibanda bathi layela kuwena ke uzoma ke ufika ubatsheleke manje ukuthi bangaphinda basijwayele futhi bangabuleni ngisho ipeni lethu. In fact, those people at that time umnisi uthi nayo lahlekelo ipeni lakhe la 1989 alisebenzisa esafunda. It's like sentimental, please ngicela nibese ipeni lama, just like now as I'm saying that ngibuka kwenye i-TV bakubhalile something like khona o comment ukuthi guys miyekeni mhlambe enewaliphiwa inyanga ngo1989. It's just like I'm done. Kohanjwa umnisi is refusing to retract the hired gun situation. I-comment yakhe la isho uthi nje there is nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong. So manje ngenze njani? How do I take it back? Uyibona leyo nto. Athi nje uSibanda you're gonna have to take it back. Athi mawukuthi uSibanda aka-understand i-hired gun nama into engizoyenza because to tell you are a hired gun esho kumabasa that's about to fire. In fact, advocate Minister is asking for the photo naye ke sephethe ethi ngicela laso sithomba kolesa senejika manipulating it nisifake inyawo nesinwebe nisenze sibe sincane nisenze sibe sikhulu. I don't care. Ngicela laso sithombe as it was. Angifune nje story. No manipulation, nothing. Can you just have it that picture? How childish is that court right now? Ending is Zulu, because I know there's a lot of Zulu speaking people in this channel actually. And there's a pikelwana. About them said, no, I'm better. I don't know how you guys feel, but feel there's a pikelwana la. Some I'm better than you. Tabangu to ban me and Nazgakulung now, and I'm hired gun guy, somewhere. Urata, obviously, I mean, to deny. Uzo 2 years more. Why is Agusantonga or whoever? Years ago, but it's actually a Canadian and Australian. They like using that in their courts, basically. You know what I said? I said, yes, Nusbanda is still young. It's fine, guys. Lendo yakhe la kaka understand these into zasema courts and how we work. La panafana lidedele yonke into. You can't be saying gwam. Like even does that. This was the minister was trying to tell him. Illegal aid is financing these two guys. Illegal aid ayisebenzisani nani mhlambe. So mina ngifana ngenze njani ngifene laptop yami nezinto zami zonke ezinkulu la. Obviously unayo I'm sure laptop yakhe umnisi is sitting there with it. But if nenze njani umnisi azenani ngempela. Hayi uSibanda guys must just stop it actually. Bamtshelile. So I just felt ukuthi he just doesn't understand the dynamics of the court yet. Usasemncane. Usasesikoleni usafunda ezinye izinto akakazi ukuthi ayibo kukho kwakho la. Esebhizi NPA. I work there mina. So nina ngenze ngithole next. NPA has its own technician. Ngeke nisize nini. What's wrong with this? That's not even going to happen. Ukhuluma ngani? This is why ngithi ube treat her like trashy defense. It was like manje fanele simncenge. And be like, okay, siyacela abandla kubo wena osibizela lo technician. It must help us lay yenu yase NPA. Really? Honestly? I was just like, dying ngeke bra. Stop it. And uRamusipile when he stood up, uthe nje hayi mina yazi I'm puzzled actually. He actually used amazed. He was like I'm amazed. Bese kusho ukuthi I'm appalled by this. Nabantu abanjani nini? Kuba sonke nje basilana safundiswa how to handle. Isesemozo odokotela. Ubona udokotela ungacatha kana emotions. Bayafundiswa those people. Once you get to 4th, 5th, 6th year, bayatshela please stop. There's some things that you can't say to a patient. There's some things. This is how you must behave. Every day those people are taught how to behave in court. Usibanda-ke kufanele siqale phansi kena futhi vele simfundise. URasu uthe hayi ngithule njengoba ngiyithulele because in any case I'll keep quiet because I don't want to be called names. But this is the same person othi no, angiyibuki YouTube, angiyibuki social media. So how do you know that people are calling you names? If you don't know that. So Ramusipile was like, guys, as in, this is unprofessional, honestly. There's no need for this. Maybe mbuza. Vela no comment angithi amazi baby mbuza. It's okay when I do have anything to say njengoba salindi technician ngoba sike sahlala bo. Silindi technician guys. Isikhathi sasihambela thina. Thina sifuna ijustice for Senzo Meyu. There's some things nje esingenandaba nazo lapha. Ukuthi uMabaso akasakhumbula ama lines that he was taught by Gininda. Akasakhumbuli benobaloyi. For now hayi kuthe kusakhulunywa nge-hired gun silinde bani at the time silinde i-technician nawe wasukuma kusibanda-ke sesitshela ngenye case naye ayazi ubuzo ubani who knows. No one asked him. I was just like bra like why you up umeleni have uthanda nje shembandla hayi attention mbona sengathi uyifuna kakhulu or is trying to get other cases nangimazi after he messed up on Friday. Efundisa ubugebengu at their age. Angiyazi age kaSibanda but I can tell ukuthi Sibanda is young. Ngizoke ngime lapho guys kancanyana ngoba ngilakha I'm saying ukuthi sike salinda i-technician. I'm still going to continue later ngoba noRamusipile does actually cross examine brothers. Lawyer ya onamanga. Someone is even complaining about him on my comments on the weekend. Ukhuluma kanjani vele lo baba? Was he drunk? On Friday. I was just like chances are, who knows? Thank you so much guys for your love. Nami nginithanda over. Thank you.